What the HVAC program is all about is we're bringing students in with little or no knowledge. We're training them to be able to go out and be service techs with the companies that are working with us. The more the students can get their hands on the equipment, the better they're going to learn it, the faster they're going to pick up what needs to be done with them. There's a lot of opportunities out there for job placement. Most companies are screaming for techs. The problem is getting techs certified to go out and work, and that's where we come in, is get the students trained, get certifications that they need, their OSHA certifications, their EPA certifications, so when they go to work for a company, they're safe and they have what they can work with the EPA stuff.
It's a good school with good people, I guess that's the best way to put it. Really, really good instructors. People are here to help you and make sure you get the job done right.
What the students can do after this program is we will start placing them into companies. They will start off as helpers, usually between $10 and $15 an hour to start out as helpers. Then as they work their way up the ladder, they can be up to $30, $40, $50 an hour within a few years. And then from there, they can go own their own business after about 7 years of working in the field and getting certifications.